In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Danske Bank account. Whether you're planning to manage your finances through Danske or simply want to explore your options, this guide will walk you through the process with clarity and ease. Let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is ensure you're eligible to open an account with Danske Bank. Generally, you must be at least 18 years old. If you're considering opening an account in the UK, you should either live in the UK or Northern Ireland. This eligibility requirement is crucial as it ensures compliance with local regulations and helps the bank verify customer identity efficiently. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, the next step involves gathering the necessary documents. First on your list is proof of identity. This can be a valid passport, a driving license, or any other government-issued identification. Alongside identity proof, you'll need to provide proof of your address. Acceptable documents for this include a recent utility bill or a bank statement, but make sure they are dated within the last few months to comply with verification standards. In addition to these, be prepared to supply some financial information. This might include your employment status, details of your income, and any ongoing financial commitments or debts you may have. Having these documents organized ahead of time will not only streamline the application process, but also reduce any potential delays in opening your account. The third step in this journey is to decide how you'd like to apply. If you're in Denmark, you can conveniently apply online through the Become a Customer portal on the Danske Bank website. Meanwhile, if you're in the UK, you have the flexibility to apply online, by phone, or by visiting a local branch. Each method has its own advantages, so choose the one that suits your preference and circumstances. After submitting your application, it's time to wait for approval. During this stage, Danske Bank will conduct a thorough verification process known as Know Your Customer or KYC. They will verify your identity, address, and financial background. This step is vital for security reasons and helps the bank maintain a trustworthy banking environment. Once your application has been approved, you will be provided with your new account number and you're all set to start banking. This means you can begin managing your finances, make transactions, and take advantage of the various services and tools that Danske Bank offers to its customers. And there you have it. With these instructions, you're now equipped with the knowledge to smoothly open a Danske Bank account. Remember, having all your documents ready and understanding the process can significantly speed things along. Thank you for joining me today, and happy banking!